Nityananda, my name is Manitya Vedarupananda, and I'm back with another video about sannyas. Sannyas is basically the lifestyle of a monk, and today I'll be talking about what our routine looks like every day. Usually, when people think about a sannyasi or like a monk, they think of Shaolin monks and like that strenuous, intense like workout lifestyle where they keep working their body to perfection to achieve like higher states of consciousness. But today, I'll be enlightening you about different things we do. It's a holistic kind of development. It's not only in one aspect that we work. We work on our body, we work on our mind, and our consciousness. With a living enlightened master, who we fondly call Swamiji, Paramahamsa Sri Nityananda, uh, he takes us into like the next levels of consciousness and like consciousness rising. And due to that, we as human beings are like we're not even human beings anymore. Like we're starting to become what he calls the new species of individuals. We're starting to manifest shaktis of Sadashiva. Anything from blindfold reading, remote viewing. Like I can sit down here and see what's going on across the planet. I can use my phone and scan someone's body without even seeing them. Like I just need a photograph of what they look like and I'll tell them all the ailments they have and solutions. So besides that, let me talk about what we do on a daily basis. So we wake up at 3:30, and by 4 o'clock we start yoga. From 4 to 5 is yoga, and then 5 to 6 is a dip in the Vaidya Sarovar, where we have healing water that comes from the linga, the abhishekam that comes from the linga. We stand under the linga, have a bath, and then change. And then by 5:45, we get into the hall for puja. So the puja is about an hour, and by 7 o'clock we are done with the general morning routine. In the middle of that, and then after that we actually go for breakfast and come back and do some kirtans. Kirtans are like dancing to peppy music and like fun and peppy music. So we dance a lot, and then that's followed by satsang. And satsang is a beautiful experience where Swamiji comes and talks about various topics, makes some jokes, like addresses, and it's a time where we get to spend like it's a time where we can spend time with Swamiji in like every single day. So after that, we go into our daily schedules. For the Gurukul, we have chanting classes. Then, as I finish my 12th grade, I have Agama like classes and Shastra classes. Then we're also being trained to be acharyas and Hinduism classes. So, in the middle of all of that, I also have a project that I'm doing. I'm in charge of the publications of the Gurukul. So, we have department work for 4 hours while the other students are studying. And then in the evening, we start manifesting powers for an hour and a half, and then we do YouTube videos like what I'm doing. And after that, we get to sleep. So our timings, I mean, we sleep very little, but the energy we have is enormous because the amount of shaktis we're manifesting. Like normal people would not be able to survive day in day out for years together with that little sleep and this much work, but with Swamiji's like energy, like we are doing amazing. So if you'd like to experience any of this, if you're interested, like if any of this interests you in any way, you should totally come here. Either do the inner awakening program to take a like just a taste of it, or just jump in and join the Gurukul if you're under 21, or you can just join the Krama Sannyas order, yeah, of the Nityananda Sannyas order, and like enjoy this sort of lifestyle for the rest of your life. It's beautiful. Don't miss out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Nityanandam.